Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Figma designs responsive. First, we'll dive into the fundamental concepts that allow your layouts to adapt seamlessly to various screen sizes. We'll then explore the power of auto layout, a crucial feature for creating flexible components and frames. Next, you'll learn to master constraints, ensuring your elements behave predictably. Finally, I'll share essential tips and tricks to streamline your responsive workflow, helping you build robust and adaptable user interfaces with confidence. Auto layout is your best friend for responsive design in Figma. It allows elements within a frame to automatically adjust their position and size based on their content or the available space. By setting properties like hug contents or fill container, you can ensure your text boxes and images expand or shrink appropriately. Remember to define consistent spacing and padding values, perhaps 8 pixels or 16 pixels, to maintain visual harmony across different breakpoints. Nesting auto layout frames is key to building sophisticated, adaptable layouts. While auto layout handles dynamic content, constraints are vital for elements within a fixed frame or when you need specific anchoring. Constraints dictate how an object resizes or repositions itself relative to its parent frame. For example, setting an element to left and right will make it stretch horizontally as the frame expands. Using top and bottom allows vertical expansion. You can also combine constraints like center with scale to keep an element centered while it scales proportionally. Experiment with these settings to achieve precise control over your designs. To truly excel at responsive design, adopt a mobile-first approach, designing for smaller screens before scaling up. This ensures your core content is always prioritized. Leverage Figma's powerful component system and variants to create reusable, adaptable elements, saving you significant time. Always test your designs, frequently using Figma's built-in preview mode, checking how they behave across various screen dimensions. Consider common breakpoints, such as 375 pixels for mobile and 1440 pixels for desktop, to ensure a robust and user-friendly experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.